Welcome to Create, Cook, and Talk. Oh, we're so excited. We have a very special guest today that's flying in all the way from, or flew in all the way from the United States Navy. Please help me and welcome in
my friend called me Maverick.
Maverick, welcome! Woo! We're so excited to have you. So in honor of Maverick being with us today, because I'm so excited I get to be next to Maverick, we are going to cook cauliflower buffalo wings.
By the fire.
Woo! Okay, so let's get cooking. And I was going to say too, Maverick is your call sign, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Because that's not your real name.
No, ma'am.
Okay, because they normally use call signs, right, to identify pilots as well as confuse enemies, right?
Yes.
Ah, I got it right. Okay, so let's get cooking. We are going to we have cut up cauliflower, right?
Yes.
Into small bites. And we have chickpea flour and some garlic salt and some onion powder and some salt and a little bit of pepper and
milk.
And actually it's almond milk. Okay, so we ready? Let's make the ingredients. So first, would you mind, sir, dumping the flour into the bowl for me?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, sir.
Very good, thank you. Oops. Okay, put that to the side. Can you dump the other ones in? That is the garlic, right?
Mm-hmm.
Okay, I'm sorry, it's 2 teaspoons of garlic. Okay, now would you dump the last one in there? That is the 1 teaspoon of onion powder. Oh, it's kind of stuck in there. Can you grab the spatula? Thank you.
You want them?
Okay, now we're going to stir that up. Oh, I'm sorry, did you want to, here, you can use that fork and stir it up a little bit. Now we can pour the milk in. Well, actually we can pour the pepper. Do you want to dump the pepper in? So it'll be a little spicy. Woo! Smell that pepper. Okay, and pour the almond milk in there. That's 1 cup of almond milk. Okay, so now we're just going to mix this really well, and you can mix it if you'd like to. Thank you for your help. And for your service, I appreciate it.
You're welcome.
Okay, so now that this is all mixed up, would you mind grabbing the pan that is lined? And also we've heated up the oven to 400 degrees. So we have that. Now we are going to just take these and drop them in here and coat them well. Okay, oops, I'm sorry, I knocked it out of your hand. And we'll just take them and then coat them. And then we're gonna get them coated well, and then we'll just put them on the tray.
Okay.
Do you wanna dump a few more in there and then we'll take them out? Thanks, Mav. They call you Mav?
Yes.
Let's just see how many we can get in there. Okay, that kind of works. Right? We'll just go faster. Do you like cauliflower buffalo wings?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. All right, I think those look pretty good. Do you think they look pretty coated?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, we'll put them on there. Bake them. We're gonna bake them in the oven at 400 degrees for about 18 minutes.
No.
Maverick, do you think you can put this in the oven for me?
Yes. Highway to the dairy zone.
Woo! Okay, so we just took these out of the oven and the pan is hot, Maverick, so don't touch, okay?
Okay.
Now we're just going to get our favorite hot sauce and cover the, oh, see?
Don't put too much.
Well, I guess I already did, didn't I?
Mm-hmm.
But you like things hot, don't you, and dangerous?
Grip off a fire.
Now we're just gonna cover these as much as we
Yes,
can.
ma'am. Yes, sir.
Yeah, get them all covered again.
Mm-hmm.
And make sure they're really covered good in all that sauce. And then we're going to put them back in the oven for 8 minutes.
8 minutes. Okay.
Spread them out a little bit so they can cook evenly. Okay. Okay, so these just came out of the oven. After I put the hot sauce on, I put them back in there for 8 minutes. You can put them in there if you want them a little bit crispier. You can also do it in the air fryer. We just chose to do it in the oven today, but you know, you can try it in the air fryer.
Grip off a fire.
Okay, so it's out of the oven. We plated it onto a prettier plate, and I added some blue cheese dressing because that's how we enjoy eating it. You can obviously use it with whatever kind of dressing you like, ranch, etc. Thank you so much for joining us. Create, cook, and talk, encourage learning while creating yum, and
Maverick had to sign off now, so please on YouTube and Facebook, please subscribe to another recipe. Please send it to me for next time. Yes sir, yes ma'am. I'm on my way to back to America. Amen. Say goodbye to you.